Hey guys, Mike here with Restomod Air. Gonna go over a couple things, kind of show you what we do. We can start over here. We manufacture 6 different AC systems that go inside the dash. Everything from the smallest one on the market, and we stair step all the way up to the largest one on the market. And we size these based off of the interior of your vehicle. So if you have a small hot rod, we can go with the smaller one. Or for a full-size vehicle like Chevelles, Camaros, Impalas, and stuff like that. So all of these are fully electronic systems. They're full heat AC defrost systems. And you can use a plethora of controls, any one of our controls to control these. They're also Bluetooth enabled, so you can actually download our iOS and Android app for free, and you can control all of these systems from an iPad or Apple iPhone or anything like that. It has built-in diagnostics, so if you ever have any issues and need to know why your system's acting funky, it's very simple, touchscreen, we can do that. So we can couple these with controls, and so we've debuted a lot of new model-specific controls this year at SEMA. And so these are a couple of the new ones that we've manufactured: the 60 to 63 Chevy Truck, the 64 to 66 Chevy Truck, 67 to 72 Ford Truck, and our new one, the 88 to 94 Chevy Truck. This one's really impressive. I like this one a lot. And so we've added the 55, 56 Chevy, and all the Mustangs as well. So this is part of our model-specific family, but we're really known for all the customization that we can do regarding our controls. As you can see here, we've got, I wish we could display all of them, but there's not enough room. So these are some controls, individually mounted, backlit. Some of them have push button, kind of give you a really cool look when they're installed. And then our vents. And so again, like I said, we have, I think we're up to over 3,000 vent options now. They come standard in satin, polished, black, and a plethora of different vent bezels and ball inserts, and you can mix and match. It's actually really cool to see what guys put together and use in their different builds. And we also have different bulkhead fittings, and these are the connection from the interior of your vehicle to the engine compartment. Everything from simple to I don't know what you would call that. Some of that stuff is very, very customized. So let me show you. This is a little sneak peek of what's about to come out. So these are our new addressable LED controls and vents, and they will operate off of a new app update that we're going to push here shortly. So this is our normal app interface. So you can control your temperature, swipe, you can control your fan speed, and your air position, what we call mode. And with the new adjustable LEDs, when you press here, this will drop down and you can choose your zone and rename that. So right now, zone 1 is our controls. And so on zone 1, I press zone 1, I pick an effect that I want right now, which I have a fade, so I can choose static and it stays solid. I can choose a heartbeat and it changes. Then I can change over to color, and I can change the color of it as well, and the intensity of it. And then I can go back to zone 2, which would be our vents, and I can change that to, let's say, static, and I can change the lighting to there. After this is released and pushed out to the public, we will add ambient lighting features that you can put in your wheel well and your door panels and stuff like that. And it's plug and play. It plugs right into our ECU, integrates directly with our app. And if you guys have any questions on our offerings, you can check us out at restomodair.com or give us a call and one of our guys can take care of you.